Hello everyone and welcome to the weather pad. Today we're going to be focusing on the tropics because we have a few storms out there that are going to be impacting the US. Alright, first off we have Tropical Storm Fred here in the middle of the Gulf, and this storm really did not fare well after going through Hispaniola. It took more of a western route throughout all the islands, and now it is forecasted to make landfall on the panhandle of Florida. And as of 11 a.m. it is again a tropical storm after getting shredded by Cuba, and it will continue up through Alabama and into Tennessee by 8 p.m. on Tuesday. The good news is for the Tampa area and most of the coast of Florida, the threat is gone. For a while there, they were in the cone, but now the cone has shifted far enough west where the effects won't really be noticed. Looking at the HWRF model here for Fred, it looks like it'll be forecasted to really stay mostly west of the Tampa area and most of the coast, the Gulf Coast of Florida. 5 a.m. August 16th, getting close to hitting Florida Panhandle. And right about 2 p.m. on August 16th, it looks like it'll be right over the Panhandle making landfall. The HMON model is also in agreement with the landfall around 2 p.m. on August 16th, and also deteriorating as it continues north. Moving on now to Tropical Storm Grace, it seems like Hispaniola cannot get a break. Tropical Storm Fred just ripped through there, and now they have another one right on the doorstep. Tropical Storm Grace forecasted to continue being a tropical storm until 8 p.m. on Monday, where it downgrades to a depression and then ramps back up to a tropical storm as it heads northwest. And tropical storm warnings are in effect for Puerto Rico and part of the Dominican Republic. Tropical storm watches for Haiti, which the last thing they need right now is another tropical storm. Now looking at the HWRF model for Tropical Storm Grace, you can see the center is just below Puerto Rico here, and as it moves forward, looks like it's going to start trying to strengthen, wrap up. You can see the eye forming right about there on 8 a.m. August 16th, so that would be tomorrow at 8 a.m. It will continue through the Dominican Republic, and it looks like the HWRF has it staying north of Haiti and continuing along a northwesterly track below, in between Florida and Cuba. Now the HMON is a little interesting here. It doesn't show it staying together as well as the HWRF did. So we have 5 p.m. August 15th, that'll be tonight. This is all in Eastern time. And as you can see, it just doesn't look as organized once it goes. It doesn't look as organized at all, to be honest. It kind of looks like it's going to deteriorate, and it really loses itself once it goes through Hispaniola here. And looking at the GFS model now, you can see Tropical Storm Fred out in the Gulf, and as we move forward, it heads north and hits the panhandle of Florida. And you're not really seeing Tropical Storm Grace here very prominent, even in the GFS model. So we'll have to watch that, keep an eye on it. It'll definitely be interesting to see what happens once it hits and goes through the Caribbean and Hispaniola. And the two tropical storms weren't enough for Haiti. There was a magnitude 7.2 earthquake there yesterday, and they can't catch a break. Luckily, this earthquake posed no tsunami threat to the US, and really no US threat whatsoever. So that's one positive out of this for the US, although Haiti will definitely have to take some time to recover from all the damage between Tropical Storm Fred, Tropical Storm Grace, and also this earthquake. Looking a little farther into the future now, it looks like once we get, you can see in the bottom right corner there, about 8 a.m. August 27th, we have a little system showing up here. And if you move forward a little bit more, you see it shows up there's a low pressure system, 2 a.m. August 28th. Now keep in mind, this is very far into the future. This will most likely change, but it's something definitely to keep an eye on, because when Tropical Storm Grace was first showing up on here, it was also moving over here, and then it was heading right into South Carolina area because of a high pressure system located up around Maine. So again, this will probably change in the future, but it's definitely something to keep in mind, in the back of your mind, and look out for in the future models here. That's really all I have for today for tropical updates. Make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel for more future updates, And this is the start of the journey of the weather pad. So I'm glad to have you all on board. Thank you all for watching. We will keep watching Tropical Storm Grace and Tropical Storm Fred as they continue to move along. Also keeping an eye out for the future tropical systems. Once again, thank you all for watching. I will see you next time. Thank you for stopping by the weather pad. Have a good day.